Hi students, my name is Arpita Bhattacharya. I am teaching in Gyaniketan Girls High School and today I will give a short lecture on the topic BRICS, which is the part of class 12 political science syllabus. This is a newly added topic and I have given previous material on it. So today I will discuss about the major achievements and failure of BRICS. So we will start. Throughout its first decade, BRICS has developed sectoral cooperation in different areas such as science and technology, trade promotion, energy, health, education, innovation, and fight against transnational crime. Currently, sectoral cooperation, which covers more than 30 subjects areas, brings important concrete benefits to the population of these 5 countries. BRICS share of the world export rose significantly from the years of 1996 to 2008 from 9% to 17%. CRA to provide mutual financial support and as a contribution to global financial safety net, the establishment of the CRA or contingent reserve arrangement has further deepened and consolidated the partnership of its members in the economic, financial areas. Establishment of new development bank. In the 6th BRICS summit in Brazil, the member countries signed an agreement to create a development bank on the lines of ASEAN Development Bank and the World Bank. It marked a departure from the practices and procedures of the West-dominated International Monetary Fund and World Bank. BRICS as new stakeholder in 21st century global world. The economic potential and demographic development are putting the BRICS countries increasingly in a leading position in setting the global agenda and having a greater say in the global governance. Now we will discuss about the failure of BRICS. In recent time, BRICS are facing problems in terms of slowing economic growth and recession in some of its member countries. For example, slowing down of Chinese economy has caused turmoil in not just in BRICS bloc but across the world. None of the BRIC countries has signed trade or investment agreement with the United States of America. And some of the negotiations have been failed due to opposition to US approach. This has somehow hindered economic expansion of BRICS countries. Now, Russia and Brazilian economy is slipping into recession that created further problem. Next, the emerging member countries have failed to gain any momentum for sustaining growth. Next, Chinese economy has largest share, which is 38% in the total export of BRICS. This has resulted in dominance of China in the BRICS bloc and in turn has stopped the economic nationalism in other member countries. Last but not the least, the tension within the BRIC bloc. For example, India-China ties have witnessed a steady deterioration over the last few years in another reason for its failure. Because India and China both are the emerging economy, the largest emerging economy in world. And just because these two countries have conflict over their international border and it disrupted the trade relation between these two countries, actually created a tension within BRIC, and that is another reason behind its failure. Okay. Thank you.